welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to align array elements on a multi-line array. So in here, I have person array. I'd like to align the elements for that array. There is a package called Better Align that you could just go ahead and download from the marketplace. So go to marketplace, search for Better Align, and so I've already have it installed, so you can go ahead and install it. And this works on arrows and then assignment and colon as well. So what I'm doing right now is just to do the alignment on the array arrow. So there is instruction how to set up shortcuts if you wanted to utilize that. So what you would need to do is to copy this shortcut and then open the command palette and search for shortcuts and select the first one, the open keyboard shortcuts JSON file, and just go ahead and paste the shortcut there. So this has it as, so you could keep it as the default, which is control plus the command plus the equal sign, but I'd like to have it as control A as the shortcut. So once you set up the shortcut, you go to just the where you want to align the element. So you would go to the first line, and then what you would do there, just hit the shortcut. So for me it's control A. So if I hit control A, that just aligns the element. So one more time, if I hit control A, the elements are aligned. And that's all to it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you.